Just a reminder for everybody, the contest I got going on, DLB giveaway. I am looking for videos of some of your oldest tools. Matter of fact, here's another vintage piece I've come across. It's a 1/2-inch square drive, female. I just happen to have an adapter that kind of fits it. Not the right one though, it seems to sit a little too proud. But what's kind of neat with this, it's a local piece. I'm not sure if you can see that. Number 602. Toronto, Grey, Canada. That's Grey Tools, Toronto. Someone's did a bit of work to it. They've welded it up in a few spots. It still seems to work okay though. Toothy son of a gun. If I can get it to turn. Toothy bastard. But yeah, that's what you get for something as old as this thing. And I'm a little fearful about putting a date on it because I'll probably be wrong. Maybe 30s. Maybe a bit older than that, who knows. Number 602. Grey Toronto. I'll have to look it up later. But I decided to do a quick video and see if I can get some more videos for my contest. Don't forget, I'm giving away some stuff. If I get enough videos, maybe I'll add some more stuff. I got lots of tools, so you want some of my tools? Do a video. Doesn't even have to be this old. Like, I'm not asking for like anything ancient and barbaric. Hell, if the oldest tool he's got 2 years old, that's good enough for me. Alright, in any case, like, comment, subscribe, share. Hey, just stop by and say hello. Dana White.